Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare veg pulao. Okay, so first of all, heat some oil in the kettle. I'm not going to prepare more amount of it. So now first to prepare veg pulao, first we will fry the veggies. Okay, you can also take whatever veggies you like green peas also you can add it. Here I am adding cauliflower, then beans, carrots. Okay, fry this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes just switch off the kettle and take the fried veggies to a plate. Okay, you can see oil is there, so don't take the extra oil. I have fried the vegetables. Now in the remaining oil add some rice. Okay, the required amount of rice. The rice I have soaked it for 10 minutes. Now fry the rice too properly. Fry the rice till it starts sticking to the beans. The rice has started sticking to the base. The rice are fried properly. Now take the rice out from the kettle. Now in the same kettle, without washing, add some spices. Okay, some cumin seeds, mustard seeds, 1 green chili, now add onion. Now fry the onion till it turns light golden color. Now onions are fried properly. I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. Just mix it properly. Now add tomatoes. Now add half teaspoon of salt. Let's give 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1/4 of red chili powder because we have added 1 green chilies already. Okay, so now mix this properly and fry till the tomatoes are cooked properly. While frying the masalas, please be assured do not burn it, or else the taste will be totally spoiled. So now I'm going to add some soya chunks which I have soaked in hot water. Then the fried vegetables. Mix this properly. Okay, now fry this for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not add any water. Now add the fried rice. Now mix this properly. Fry this for a minute again. So after this we are going to add water, double of the rice amount. So you can add the water directly to this kettle, but as you would have seen my pigeon kettle in previous video, drumstick curry one. So in that one I'm going to boil it actually. I'm going to prepare the I'm going to do the rest of the recipe in that kettle, because that kettle is faster compared to this one in case of water boiling or if you are boiling any veggies and all. Okay, so I'm just going to transfer this to my pigeon kettle. So who is having pigeon, only pigeon kettle, they must be thinking how they are going to do this process. So if you are not thinking to fry it, then what you can do is you can just mix all the rice, then veggies, then tomatoes, then you can just add it to the kettle and fry it for some time, because it will be having some water, so that I think the kettle will be on. Okay, I didn't try it, you can try with that one, or you can also prepare a khichdi kind of thing in that kettle. Okay, in if who people are having this kettle, they can directly prepare in this one only, but that kettle is faster compared to the boiling in water and all. That's why I'm going to shift this to the pigeon one. Okay, so now I have shifted this to the pigeon one, okay, which is automatic. So now this is the double amount of water. Here some oil and masalas are there, that's why I have just added to this one. Okay, there is nothing unhygienic in this one. So now just switch on the kettle, close the lid, and make sure to raise it to, keep it in medium. Okay, 100%, 100 degrees centigrade. After 5 to 6 minutes, you just take out the lid and you can just stir this once, because this is not a pressure cooker, we are not going to get whistle. So you need to check the water amount. If the rice is not properly cooked and water is totally absorbed, then you can add little bit of water. Okay, as you can see, it started boiling, and sufficient water also there. Veg pulao is almost cooked, guys, just 2 more minutes. Yes guys, so now pulao is ready. This will be little bit of liquidy. You can't dry this totally in this kettle. Okay, since if you want to dry it in this kettle totally, this will not at all get up. Switch it on. Okay, so now just take this to a bowl. Okay, so yes guys, pulao is ready now, veg pulao. Okay, so if you like the recipe, don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Bye.